Cold as balls right now. Yes. Heaven. It's beautiful.
Do you wish?
I'm already naturally pretty hyped up. I don't even really need this, even though it's 12 o'clock. I don't feel tired, excited. I'm ready for the gym. I'm trying to go savage mode, so I need this. There is one car here. It's too damn cold out here. I need to be in Cancun already. Drove all the way here and realized that I forgot my AirPods, but luckily I'm a dog. I don't even need them. Absolutely nobody in here. We'll get right to it. Right now they're playing this squid music, but we'll have to let it be. In the Planet Fitness is crazy. Literally nobody here right now. The worker seems super cool. I was talking with him for a while. He's like, yeah, man, you're literally the only guy here right now. I'm like, I'm different. That's what I'm doing. This is just crazy to me, man. We'll get a little warm up going on the treadie, of course. 3 speed, max height. Let that C4 kick in. This is honestly beautiful. I love it. Nobody's here. I mean, they're playing this music, but just really thinking, locked in. Got the gym to myself. Never mind, I actually see a dude over there. Big old fella. Putting in that work. We'll become best friends by the end of this. Feeling juiced, feeling ready to kill the 30-minute circuit. People love to hate on Planet Fitness, but I'm not gonna lie, like if you're the just, you know, regular person, you don't know a lot about fitness and you come here, they have great equipment, lots of variety. You can easily change your life, create a healthier lifestyle. I feel like a kid in a candy shop. I'm like, what do I want to start with? Where do I want to go first? Today we're hitting little bis and tries, arm day. I will set you off by the end of today. My tripod's a little crooked, that's all right. Started a bulk in like September, August of last year. Bulked up to 200. New Year's Eve, started the cut, 15 pounds down. Just trying to get shreddy Betty for Cancun in March, so I can just have beautiful women all over. Also doing it for myself. Mostly for the beautiful women though. Yeah. Not gonna lie, they're playing some bangers in here today. Also, nobody's here. Can be as loud as I want. Grunt, bark. Oh. All jokes aside though, my real fitness goals, just have some abs that just punch through my shirt. Be strong, be lightweight, be fast. I'm not trying to be the biggest dude in the room. Just trying to look good, feel good, you know what I mean? Place needs better lighting. $10 a month, you get what you pay for. One thing I really like about this Planet Fitness is this little back room they have. They have some more free weights over here. They got some nice ab stuff over here. My favorite ab machine ever, the little pum pum smasher, I like to call it. Sadly, the heaviest easy curl bar they have is only 60. But what we lack for in weight, we'll just make up for in volume. Oh yeah. It doesn't look as good on camera, it looks better in person. Odysseus. My favorite ab exercise machine I've ever done. You gotta get up on this thing, put it in a situation and just boom, boom. Ladies, don't get excited. It's officially 1 a.m. in the Planet Fitness. I'm the only one hungry enough to be here. Really been trying to work on my dips. For what good is a life without struggle? Shout out to Maddie Max's, Gully Lifts, Playboy Poop, John Bob, John Aneeners, P Dizzle over at Edge. If you don't know the names, don't try to act like you're in the gym culture. You don't know a thing. You're uneducated. I can't help you, I'm sorry. Trying to be the next American Ninja Warrior. They got Nick Sirianni hitting the squats for us. Tell Shawty to hit me up ASAP, please. Need me a fitness model. Need a fitness influencer. My lifelong dream of setting off the Lunk alarm has finally happened. I can now sleep at peace, enjoy life, and I'm honestly fulfilled. Shout out to the worker here, man. Coolest guy ever. Letting me record here, letting me make this video. Daniel-san, use the crane kick. You belong. Little physique update. Still got some blubber here. You can barely see the abs under there. We're getting there, guys. A few more weeks of consistency and this will all be shreddy, Betty. Another thing about Planet Fitness, bowl of Tootsie Rolls for you after you're done working out. That's great, dude. Guys, say what you want about Planet Fitness. I love it here. Pieces of ice. Satisfying TikTok compilation. Oh, that was actually satisfying. Satisfying TikTok compilation. Satisfying TikTok compilation. Satisfying TikTok compilation. Satisfying TikTok compilation.